The Basilica of Saint Mary is now using our altar rail for distribution of Holy Communion at all Sunday Masses and on holy days. Communion at the altar rail has worked well for our weekday Masses. This is the way our school children receive communion when at the Basilica for First Friday and holy days. It's also how communion is received at weddings and funerals. It is a reverent but also efficient way to receive our Lord in the Eucharist. It actually takes less time since the priest moves along the rail with the ciborium and the communicant is already in place. So how does it work at the Basilica of Saint Mary? Only those seated in the nave, or the main section, of the church will receive at the altar rail. Those seated in the balconies and side pews will continue to receive communion at the usual stations. Exit your pew as you normally would toward the center aisle. Approach the rail and fan out to fill the open spaces. Kneel or stand at the red cushions. Please do not stand or kneel at the brass gates. If you kneel, there is no need to bow or genuflect before receiving, since kneeling itself is a proper show of reverence. You may choose to receive the sacred host on your tongue or in your hand. Many people find receiving our Lord on the tongue is more natural and more comfortable due to the height at which the host is distributed at the rail. Thank you for worshiping with us at the Basilica of Saint Mary.